It's a way of writing, and I see three main elements. The first is to write about immediate perceptions in a fantastic way, to think of the things that you're happening as being science fiction adventure, perhaps, unbelievably strange, but yet they're the real things that happen to you. Another point in transrealism is that you tend not to know how the work is going to end, such as one of my novels or this film. It's not clear how it's developing. The form is emerging organically. And if you could predict it, it wouldn't be truly alive. A third feature is to use immediate situations and immediate characters, because those are the most unpredictable. Example, we didn't know it before we came here, but Lisbon, or LH94, is a resonance of San Francisco. It's a city with a suspension bridge in front of a bay. So transreally, we're here in the pudding.
So it's like admitting the weirdness of ordinary existence, it sounds like.
If the writer can predict the end of the book, so can the reader. The book can't be interesting.
Is it simply a theory of writing? Why couldn't a person live this way?
You can surely live in a transreal way.
Is that schizophrenia?
It could be. But there can be fun madness, where you're permuting the world.